November is the month of remembrance. Hi, I'm Joel Sweeney, and I want to take advantage of the broadcast theme for this month to help you remember to use your oral communication skills as often as you possibly can. I've seen over the last 5 to 6 years an erosion of our oral communication skills collectively as a society, and that's primarily due to the fact that we've developed a reliance on text-based technology such as instant messaging and email. And if we pair that with the fact that we've introduced emojis and acronyms as shortcuts in there, then it just compounds how much more erosion we experience in terms of our oral communication skills. Now, I look at oral communication as a craft, and like any craft, we have a set of tools available to us. And we only become proficient with those tools if we continue to use them, if we remember to incorporate them into our day-to-day conversations. Whether they're formal conversations or informal conversations, we still want to be effective communicators, particularly in oral communication. And the best way to do that is to perfect your craft. So I'd like to remind you as we go through the month of November that it is important that we use our oral communication skills as often as possible so we keep them honed. Yes, there's an appropriate time to use text-based messaging and email and things of that nature. They serve a very useful purpose, a very effective purpose, but if we over-rely on them, then it can be detrimental to how effective we are as oral communicators. That's your tip for this month. Now go out and make your voice heard.